So this is one of those things that you think only restaurants can make, the tender chicken, the thick gravy. But believe me, you can do it. So let's make this, shall we? Okay, so let's start with the chicken. We are going to butterfly the chicken. That basically means slicing the breast in half. Oh, that sounds bad. And then you cut them further into thin strips just like this. Once done with that, add it in a bowl, wash the board, separate an egg yolk from white. So now basically we are marinating the chicken with some egg white, salt, vinegar, soya sauce and about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it well and as you can see there should be a very thin coating of cornstarch. Okay, now this is an important part. First you heat up the oil until completely hot and then lower the flame to medium low and deep fry until you get a very light brown color. This way the chicken stays juicy and remember we are not going for a crispy texture here. Okay, so now once that's done, we're making a simple green chili paste by adding 6 to 8 green chilies with some water in a blender and that's done. It should look just like this. Okay, now hold up. I always hear people saying I don't get the same texture and taste like restaurants, I give up. No you won't. It's all about the chopping and cutting because the different textures make it taste good. So first up, thinly slice some spring onion greens and then finely chop an onion and then you can diagonally slice some spring onion bulbs and some finely chopped garlic and ginger. By the way, if you want me to make a how to use a knife video, let me know in the comments. Now let's go to the cooking part. First saute some garlic, ginger and onion. Now if you don't finely chop all of these things then it won't cook on the same time, okay? After that add sliced green chilies, chop coriander stems, 2 to 3 ladles of chicken stock and about 2 tablespoons of your chili paste. Saute for a while until softened and then add 2 teaspoons of vinegar, half a tablespoon of light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce and a little bit of sugar. Then add the spring onion bulbs, thinly sliced capsicum and onion petals. Saute for a while and then add another 2 ladles of chicken stock or hot water, whatever you have. Add back the chicken, season with salt and pepper and remember if you're not using a chicken stock, taste and add the seasoning accordingly. And lastly, make a simple corn flour slurry with about 2 tablespoons of corn flour and water in it. Add the slurry, once thickened, garnish with some spring onion greens and it's done. Have a little bit of patience, try this out and I'm telling you, you'll be surprised at how good of a cook you are. So if you learned something, do subscribe, follow me on my Instagram for some BTS and until then, I'm gonna see you in the next one.